In this series, we're going to take a look at a new caching plugin called WP Rocket. Now, there's no lack for caching plugins. If you go to WordPress.org, right here on the front page, WP Super Cache, and then if we search for cache, you'll see there are 1,945 plugins that do something with it. These are all free. WP Rocket is not free. It costs $40 US. And we're going to take a look at why it might cost $40 and why it might be worth it. Let's take a look at the features page. As you can see, it does many things that the other caching plugins don't do out of the box. It's not entirely accurate though. I know that WP Super Cache does gzip compression. And down here it talks about multi-site compatibility, and I think Super Cache's multi-site compatibility is far superior to WP Rocket's. On the other hand, many of these other things are not included in the other caching programs, and it makes it pretty slick. At the bottom here is a frequently asked questions link, and some of these are pretty important. I would read through this before buying to make sure it fits you. For example, it talks about payment methods and licensing and subscriptions. The free plugins aren't going to deal with any of these things. So please read through this before you buy. We're going to take a look at this plugin on my own blog, which currently is not running any caching. It's on DreamHost, and that reload just took about 4 seconds. In our next video, I'll install WP Rocket and do some basic configuration, and we'll see how much faster we can make my site go.